Hi kids, it is Mrs. Higginson and I have work for Wednesday, May 20th. We are moving on to our last letter today, and it is also the last letter of the alphabet. It is Z. Z says Z. You put your teeth together to make the sound, and your tongue kind of vibrates and feels ticklish funny. Try it. Z. It's a little silly letter. First thing I do is always the same. Pick up my pencil and write my name. This word, N-A-M-E, says name. Please write your name. And here is my letter Z. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. They're the exact same, just lowercase is smaller. Z is for zebra. Zebras are the animals that look like horses but have black and white stripes. They're wild animals. You can see them at the zoo or out in the prairies like in Africa. So I need to go through and find all of my letter Z's inside my zebra. Hey, there's someone in our class who starts with Z. Whose name starts with a Z? Yes, Zoe. Alright, I am going to pause my video while I color in all of the Z's. Pause your video and I'll meet up with you. Found all my Z's, I think. I want you to count your Z's on your paper and make sure you have 10. I'm going to count mine. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you have 10? If you don't have 10, go back through and find the one you're missing. If you have an extra one, you need to find which one it is and then cross it out. Next we trace. We always start our letters at the top. Here's the dot. We have lots of stop signs in our letter Z. Straight line, stop sign. Diagonal line, stop sign. Straight line. Ready? Lowercase z, straight line across, stop sign. Diagonal line down, stop sign. Straight line across, Z. Z is for zebra. Turn over your page. Our next page looks like this. It's a graph of books. Please write your name at the top. This is another following directions page. So the title says book graph. And we have kids' names and then books going up and down. Temo or Timo, Rosa, Ralph, James. The first question we have to answer, who read the most books? Color that column red. Which column is the tallest? Which one has the most? Yes, Ralph's column. So it says, it doesn't say color the books red, it says color the column red. So I'm going to color the whole rectangle all the way up red. Do you see how when I put these little rectangles together, it can make one big rectangle? See this rectangle? It looks like a really tall, skinny skyscraper reaching up to the sky. And it's a rectangle because two sides are short and two sides are long. Our next question says, who read the fewest books? Fewest is the math word for not as many, the smallest number. Who read the fewest? Who has the smallest books? Yes, Rosa, she has 2. Everybody else has more. Their column goes up higher than hers. The directions say color that column yellow. And my last question, who read 4 books? Color that column green. They wrote the number 4 like this. That does say 4, but the way that we learned to do it in class is a little line down, little line across, frog jump, big line down. They both say 4. So which one of these has 4? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, James has 3. 4. Timo has 4. And it says color that column green. I'm looking for my green right now. So there's going to be one column left that we didn't color. That's okay. Okay. Is my coloring perfect? No. Is that okay? Yes. We don't have to do things perfectly. And our next pages are cutting pages. Your next cutting page looks like this. Let's write our name at the top. This says letter sequence. My directions at the bottom say directions. Cut out the dotted line boxes above. Glue the letters in the spaces provided on the correct square. So our next step is to cut out all these letters that have the dotted lines around them. I'm going to pause my video while I cut mine out. Please pause your video and cut out your dotted line letters. I have my letters cut out. They're all uppercase letters. And this is a lot of letters for our brain to look at one time. So what I'm going to do, and you can do this at home too, is if you have an extra paper, you can cover up all the letters except for the first row. And let's just fill in this first row. So I have the letters B and D. What comes before B when I sing the ABCs? Did you say A? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So here's my letter A. I'm going to glue it into that box. Now when I sing A, B, what goes here? Yes, C. Now make sure C that you grab this one. Some kids still get C confused with the letter S. This is C. One more for this column. A, B, C, D, E. Can you find E over here? Can you find E on your letters? Here's E. Now I'm going to uncover the next row. And it keeps going. A, B, C, D, E, F. Did you say G? Can you find your letter G, your uppercase G? Here's mine. After G, they have a couple already in there for us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What comes next? Yes, J. Our J does not have a hat on it. It is still an uppercase J. Put some glue on the back of your J. And let's see what our next row is. Oh, we only have one missing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now these two, if you had them both like this, it'd be tricky to find the M. So our M is the one with the outside arms that are straight up and down. They're not tilted. This one's going to be a W. This one is our M. The straight up and down on the outside for our M. Looks kind of like the N, the straight up and down. All right, let's go down to our next row. We're getting close. Let's sing our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. What did you say? Did you say P or V? Yes, P. I miss our letter P song. P. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, yes, S. T, U, V. I have one letter left. It's my letter for watermelon. What's the name of this one? W. Watermelon. Whale. Wind. Weather. Let's make sure. Let's touch them and say them. Make sure we have the right ones in the right order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. We're missing one. They forgot our last letter. What's our last letter? We're doing it this week. Do you want to add in a Z at the end? Straight line across the top, diagonal line down, straight line across the bottom. There's our last letter, Z. Good job. Your next page is, I think, this one. Let me check. Nope, other one. Your next page is this one. Going to write your name at the top, right on the line where it says name. Do you remember how to do these ones where you match the dots? This says 10 frame matching. We're looking at letter Z. Z. Directions: count the objects, cut and paste the matching 10 frame. So I am going to cut out all the pieces over here on the right hand side with the dotted lines. I'll meet back with you after you cut out your pieces. Counting page. So let's count how many zoos. Yep, they're showing you the dot, 1. So I take my 10 frame that has 1, some glue on, match it up. We want our dots on the top row. How many zigzags? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which dots have 5? This one. Let's count our zebras. 1, 2. They're showing you with 2 dots. Find the 10 frame with 2 dots. Your eyes might be able to tell without counting. How many zucchinis? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of these 10 frames, which of these 10 frames has 4? This one. And our last one, zippers. 1, 2, 3. Glue on your 3 dots. All right, this page is our last page for today. I am going to write my name and cut out the bottom pieces. Push pause while you write your name and cut out your bottom pieces. Okay, I wrote my name and I cut out my pieces. I have 4 letter Z words over here. Zoo, zinnia, it's a kind of flower, zipper, and zigzag. Let's find the pattern. Zipper, zebra, zipper, zebra. Yeah, I'm gonna glue zipper over here. Zoo, 0, zoo, 0. Yep, zoo. Zigzag zucchini, zigzag zucchini. Yep, zigzag. Last one. Zinnia, zoom, zinnia, zoom. Yep, Zinnia. Good job.